Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bagisha Mishra. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever a video goes live at my channel. So in this video, I'll be discussing my top 10 favorites for evening gown competition of Miss USA 2020. So let's just dive in. So I personally love this evening gown. This kind of reminded me of Meenakshi Chaudhary's prelims evening gown. But I feel that this gown could be carried in a better way. So one of my favorite performances from the evening gown preliminary competition was of District of Columbia. I really liked how she smiled throughout while walking down the runway. The color yellow suited her very well. I really liked the cape given in her gown and she carried it with utmost composure and poise. All in all, I really enjoyed watching her on stage, and even for a moment I could not actually divert my eyes from her. Coming to another evening gown performance which I really liked was of Florida. I really liked the color. It was looking beautiful. She looked fresh in that gown. And apart from that, I really like how she made her twirl on the stage. That was very polished. Only one thing which I found missing in her performance was her facial expression. I think she could have played with her expressions, and she was very good in terms of walking, but only expressions actually marred her chances. That's what I believe. Talking about California, I wasn't very impressed with her walk. I felt that she was quite low on energy and I had much more expectations from her. Talking about Georgia, I feel that she gave a good performance, but I don't know, there is something which is missing in her. Maybe that spark is missing. She walked very well, she kept the smile intact, but I feel that when she reached the headrim, I believe that she could have held her pose for a little bit longer, and that awkward kind of posture which she makes while reaching the headrim, that is something which makes me a little bit repulsive towards selecting her as one of the top performer in the evening gown. Talking about Hawaii, now she is a beautiful blend of fierceness and softness. I feel that she was very good on the stage. She had her own unique individuality in her presence. Her overall styling was amazing. She walked very well. Her walk was neither too slow nor too fast as compared to other contestants, and her facial expressions were also quite playful. I really liked those twirls and turns, her posture. Overall, I enjoyed watching her on the stage and I feel that she is going to make further. And now let's talk about Idaho. I think if there is one contestant who was very smooth and sleek in the evening gown round, I think it was Idaho. The way she carried herself on the runway, that was commendable. I really liked her blue evening gown. She worked that slit very well. I really liked her styling. That ponytail was also complementing well with her walk and her posture. She looked very polished, very composed and poised in the competition. And despite of her short height, I felt that she carried herself really well on the stage. Her twirls and turns, her facial expression, everything was on point, and I will give her 100% marks for her evening gown competition. If there is any one woman who shined beautifully in the prelims, I think it is Indiana. The way she was styled and the poise and fierceness she brought on the stage while competing in the evening gown round was fantastic. I really loved how she walked on the stage. That red gown was complementing well. She carried a beautiful gown and she looked so beautiful while walking down the stage. I did not like the headrim pose. However, her overall performance was quite satisfactory, but I felt that she went quite lazy when she reached the headrim, so she could have worked that a little bit more. She looked very tall, but other than that, I think she was superb. So I have placed her in my top 2. If you haven't watched my final prediction yet, please go ahead and watch it at my channel and do let me know what you think about her. Talking about this evening gown, I feel that this gown was beautiful in terms of design, but when it comes to pageant, I feel you need to be effortless on the stage while you're walking down the runway. She wasn't able to walk perfectly in that evening gown, and I think she struggled quite a bit with that trail. So that was something which I did not like as a design. Now let's talk about Louisiana. Wow, she was so good in the prelims and especially in the evening gown round. I was very elated to see that she is beautiful in terms of her facial expression, her smile. She looks very confident and self assured that she is going to do quite well in the competition. I completely enjoyed her gliding effortlessly on the stage, very smooth, very sleek, and I have my eyes on her because I feel that she can perform exceptionally well in the finals. Next up, we have Massachusetts. I mean, she was the star of the night, and especially in the evening gown competition, she slayed it. How effortlessly she glided on the runway, her expressions, her walk, her posture, the twirls and turns, the final pose, everything was on point. Where would you cut her mouse for? I think she is going to perform exceptionally well in the finals, and I won't be surprised if she wins it either. Next up, we have Montana. I feel that she was on fire in the evening gown competition of the prelims. The way she played with her evening gown and she worked the trail so beautifully. I was in awe with her charming face and beautiful stage presence, completely mesmerizing. The only performance which I did not like was of Nevada. I felt that she wasn't able to walk gracefully in that ball gown, and it did not give a very good impression as well. It looked quite clumsy, so this was the only performance which I did not like in the prelims. Next up, we have New Hampshire. I'm not still quite sure whether I really loved her performance, but there is something in her smile, some charm in her face, which makes me like her even more. The way she walked in the runway, I felt that she was beaming positivity, and I would definitely like to see her performing well in the finals as well. Another evening gown performance which I quite like was of New Jersey. I feel that she can do better than this performance. She can level up her game, but looking at her prelims, I feel that she gave quite a decent performance. Next up, we have the star of the evening, New York. So if you have watched my final predictions, you know that she is my winner for Miss USA 2020. And if you watched this evening gown performance, I am sure you will believe that as well. Look at her posture, look at her walk, her demeanor, her charm, her elegance is top notch, and she gave such a great performance in the prelims that nobody could actually ignore her. She's really polished and ready to slay in the competition. Not talking about the performance, but I feel that this evening gown certainly needs all attention. Such a beautiful masterpiece. I am in love with this beautiful evening gown. Next up, we have Ohio. I really love her fierce expressions. She carried a beautiful gown and she did complete justice to her beautiful evening gown. I feel that she was one of the great performers in the evening gown prelims. Now again, if you have watched my final predictions, you know that Oklahoma is one of my top 5 crown contenders for Miss USA 2020. I really loved her in the evening gown competition. Her fierce expressions, her beautiful eyes, and her overall personality was shining so beautifully in this particular round that I feel that she's certainly somebody who should not be ignored for Miss USA 2020 finals. Talking about Rhode Island, I feel that she could have given a great performance if she was styled better and if she was given a better gown than this, because I really liked her stage presence and her overall appearance in the evening gown competition. But what actually did not made her shine more effectively was her gown, because it was not fitted properly, and also she wasn't styled well. Her hair was not styled properly, but I think she's one to watch for if she is given a proper styling. And the last one to make it in my top performers of the evening gown competition in the prelims is Virginia. I feel that she reminded me of Miss Mexico at Miss Universe 2019 with that red gown which she carried on the stage. It was beautiful. She smiled all the way long, and I really love to see her facial expressions. I'll be more than happy if she places in the finals. So that was it for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section who were your favorite performance in the given round in the comment section. And also I will see you guys in the next one. Also, if you haven't watched my final predictions for Miss USA 2020, it is uploaded right there at my channel. So do have a look at it. And also do let me know in the comment section who are your favorites for Miss USA 2020 title. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.